Hello viewers, welcome back to Tech Handsome BD. In this video, I am going to give review of Lenovo Legion Y700 Generation 4 so that you can make decision whether to purchase this device or not. Lenovo Legion Y700 Generation 4 is powered by Qualcomm octa-core flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset paired up to 16 GB of RAM. The tablet, like its Legion series predecessor, is a gaming-focused device with an 8.8-inch 165Hz display. It comes with a large 12,000 square millimeter vapor chamber cooling system for heat management. The latest Legion tablet packs a 7600 mAh battery, which is considerably larger than the 6500 mAh cell that the preceding Legion Y700 carries. The Lenovo Legion Y700 Generation 4 sports an 8.8-inch screen with a 3040 x 1904 pixel resolution, a 165Hz refresh rate, a 360Hz touch sampling rate, 600 nits brightness level, 12-bit color depth and high DCI-P3 color coverage. The display comes with TUV Ryland certifications for low flicker, low blue light and eye protection. Lenovo's latest Legion Y700 Generation 4 gaming tablet is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC paired up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512 GB of UFS 4.1 onboard storage. It is equipped with a 12,000 square millimeter vapor chamber cooling system for heat dissipation. The company claims that the tablet uses center cooling architecture 2.0, which helps maintain low device temperature during heavy uses. The Lenovo Legion Y700 Generation 4 tablet packs a 7600 mAh battery with 68-watt fast charging support. The tablet supports bypass charging technology as well, and it is expected to be a useful feature for gamer. It is 6.99mm thick and weighing around 304 gram. So viewers, hopefully this video and its information will help you to make decision whether to purchase this smart device or not. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thank you.